Hi everyone! In this video I'm going to show you how to make these super cute crochet flower scrunchies. So let's get started. You will need a standard hair tie, a 5mm crochet hook, and 2 different colors of worsted weight yarn. First we'll make the daisy flower. To start, make a slip knot. Attach your hook into the slip knot and pull it tight. Now get your hair tie, and we're going to start the first round. To make the first round, we're going to do 36 single crochets all the way around. To make a single crochet, insert your hook underneath the hair tie, yarn over and pull it through. Then yarn over and pull it through the 2 loops. Make sure you're also crocheting the yarn tail along with the hair tie. Continue this all the way around until you have a total of 36 single crochets or a multiple of 3. Once you reach the end of the round, it should look like this. The single crochet stitches should cover the hair tie completely. Now we're going to finish off this round by making a slip stitch. To make a slip stitch, insert your hook into the first stitch we made, then yarn over and pull through both loops. Now we're going to chain 1 to finish off this round. Cut off the excess yarn. Moving on to round 2, take your new color of yarn, insert your hook into the last stitch we just made, then yarn over and pull through the new yarn. Chain 3. Next, we're going to make a treble crochet into the next stitch. To make a treble crochet, yarn over twice. Then insert your hook into the next stitch. Yarn over and pull through. Then yarn over and pull through 2 loops. Yarn over and pull through 2 loops again, and yarn over and pull through 2 loops. Now we're going to make 3 more treble crochets for a total of 4 treble crochets. Make sure you make them all in the same stitch. Also make sure you're crocheting in your yarn tails as you go around the round. Once you have made 4 treble crochets in the same stitch, chain 3. Now we're going to make a slip stitch into the next stitch. To finish off the petal, make a second slip stitch. So we have 2 slip stitches in total. Now we have finished off our first petal. To make the second petal, repeat the process again. Chain 3. Now make 4 treble crochets into the next stitch. Continue making petals all the way around until you reach the end. Once you've reached the end, make a slip stitch back in the first stitch where we made the first petal. Now I'm going to cut off the excess yarn to finish off this daisy flower scrunchie. Finally, I'm going to weave in the excess yarn. I like to weave in the ends of the yarn by just going back and forth around the edges of the petals. After I went one direction, I flipped it around and went the opposite direction. This just makes it extra secure. Cut off the excess yarn, and now we're finally done. Next, we're going to make the sunflower hair tie. First, make a slip knot just like before. We're going to single crochet 32 around the hair tie. Just like the first version, insert your hook underneath the hair tie, yarn over, then yarn over and pull through 2 loops. Continue this all the way around until you have 32 single crochets or a multiple of 2. As you can see, this pattern has less stitches than the first daisy pattern because the sunflower petals take up a bit more room, so we will need to make less petals. Once you reach the end, make a slip stitch. As you can see, there was a little bit of a gap in the hair tie since the stitches did not cover all the way around. All you need to do is just shift the stitches around to make sure it covers the hair tie completely. Now we're starting with round 2. Insert your hook into the last stitch we made. Now take your new color of yarn. Yarn over and pull through the new yarn, then chain 1. To start this round, we're going to make 1 double crochet. To make a double crochet, first yarn over, then insert your hook into the same stitch. Yarn over and pull it through. Yarn over and pull through 2. Then yarn over and pull through 2. Now we're going to make a treble crochet. Yarn over twice, insert your hook into the same stitch, yarn over and pull through. Yarn over and pull through 2. Yarn over and pull through 2. And yarn over and pull through 2 a third time. Now we're going to make a peacock stitch. Chain 2. Then insert your hook into the last stitch. We're going to insert it into these 2 loops right here. This was the loop from the treble crochet. Now we're going to do a slip stitch. Pull through all loops. And now we have a little pointy flower tip. Now make a treble crochet in the same stitch. Make a double crochet in the same stitch. To finish off this petal, we're going to slip stitch into the next stitch. Make sure you're always crocheting your yarn tails along with you as you go round and round. This will prevent you from having to weave them in later. Now we have finished our first petal. To make the second petal, repeat the process again. After you reach the end of the round and finish your last petal, there should be 2 stitches left. Instead of making the final petal, I decided to slip stitch into those 2 stitches. Now slip stitch back into the first stitch of the round. Cut off the yarn and weave in the ends. And now we're finished with our sunflower crochet scrunchie. These are perfect for the summer. Don't forget to give this video a like if you found it helpful. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.